Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews, your go-to channel for honest and detailed tech insights. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2025, showcasing the smartest, most efficient, and high-tech cleaning bots that will transform the way you keep your home spotless. If you want to stay updated on the latest gadgets, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. And remember, you can check out all the product links in the description box below for more details and the best deals. This is iRobot's most powerful cleaning robot yet, featuring 100% more suction power and a mop that moves back and forth with downward pressure. It has a 4-stage cleaning system with an edge-sweeping brush, dual rubber brushes that prevent pet hair tangles, and Smart Scrub for deeper scrubbing. The Roomba Combo 10 Max doesn't just learn your home. It reacts to it in real time using precision vision navigation and a camera to avoid obstacles like pet waste, cords, and shoes. Its auto wash dock self-empties debris, refills the mopping tank, and washes and dries the mop pad, giving you a hands-free cleaning experience like never before. Equipped with Track Sync, this robot uses a tank-style roller mop with hot water at 45 degrees Celsius to tackle dirt effectively, while its self-scrubbing and fluffing mop pad enhances absorbency. With 25,000 Pascal suction and a dual brush system that prevents hair tangles, it cleans all floor types efficiently. The ThermoHub system self-cleans the mop at 100 degrees Celsius and dries it at 60 degrees Celsius, keeping it hygienic. Thanks to ProLeap technology, it can climb obstacles up to 6 centimeters, while its retractable navigation puck and night vision mode let it reach under furniture. Its dual solution tank handles pet odor deodorizing and floor cleaning, fully customizable through the Dreame app, and at just 37 decibels, it's incredibly quiet, perfect for naps or noise-sensitive homes. With 13,000 Pascal suction, this vacuum picks up dust, pet hair, and debris from hard floors and carpets effortlessly. Its upgraded all-in-one docking station handles auto mop cleaning with 140 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, hot air drying, and a 3.2-liter auto-empty dust bag that lasts up to 75 days. The dual spinning extendable mop and side brushes reach every corner and edge, while 10.5mm auto lifting prevents carpet wetting. It also features smart dirt detection, using an RGB camera and color sensing to automatically rewash and mop tough messes, making it a highly intelligent and thorough cleaning solution. This robot takes cleaning to the next level with 19,000 Pascal suction and an anti-tangle brush, plus a liftable mop for carpets and hard floors. It features 167 degrees Fahrenheit mop and washboard self-drying, auto-empty, and refill capabilities. The P50 Pro Ultra navigates efficiently with advanced sensors, creating 4-level 3D maps for precise routes. Its app integration allows scheduling, mopping, vacuuming, and even pet interaction via video and voice, while voice control is compatible with Alexa and Google Home. The ultimate cleaning robot, in 2025, the J15 Ultra delivers 19,000 Pascal suction with a flex-arm mop and square-round body for edge-to-edge cleaning, covering 99.95% of corners. Its 8-in-1 base empties debris, refills water, and handles mop washing at 167 degrees Fahrenheit and drying at 131 degrees Fahrenheit. The anti-tangle Flexi Razor brush prevents hair tangles, while IntelliView AI detects wet and dry messes and adapts cleaning modes. Equipped with LiDAR, cameras, and LED headlights, it avoids over 150 object types. With a powerful motor and smart AI obstacle avoidance, the Eureka J15 Ultra is hands down the most efficient, low-maintenance, and intelligent robot vacuum you can get this year.